Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put BMW 5 Series in neutral full guide. Start by ensuring the car is safely parked, parking brake set, and foot on brake. Turn on the ignition or start the engine to enable electronic gear controls. Press the unlock button on the gear selector, move the lever to neutral, and confirm N on the dash. Use neutral only as needed and follow safety rules. Begin with the car on level ground and the brake firmly applied to prevent rolling. If the car has a start-stop system, keep the engine running or ignition in accessory mode. For automatic transmissions, depress the brake, press the release button, and shift to end gently. For electronic shifters, follow the dash prompts and confirm neutral indicator lights. Always keep the parking brake engaged when stopped in neutral for safety. Use neutral when idling during short stops, towing per manufacturer guidelines, or during certain diagnostics. Do not coast in neutral downhill because you lose engine braking and control. Use neutral in traffic for brief stops only and re-engage drive before accelerating. If towing, consult BMW guidance for transmission protection and towing mode settings. Always prioritize safety and avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.